Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason you are missing some filters on TikTok. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, you may be trying to find some certain filters that are now trending on TikTok or whatever, and you may be wanting to go ahead and use them, but you can't find them. Well, in this specific case, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through, clicking on your little plus button down here, and all you want to do is go ahead and see if those filters even exist. So what you can do here is you can click here, you can click on effects, and you can try going through and trying to see if you can find any of those filters. You can also try searching for them by clicking on search, and you can search for any filters that may be trending or whatever. Now, if for some reason you still can't find those filters, well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you update your version of TikTok. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on your app store, which is right there. You want to go and click on the search bar down here, and you want to go ahead and type in TikTok. So you want to type in TikTok just like this. You want to go and click on the application. And if there's a little update panel here, all you have to do is update your version of TikTok. And this is pretty much the easiest way to do it. In my experience, whenever I'm trying to find any feature on really any application, and for some reason I can't seem to find it, well, updating the version of TikTok will probably end up fixing it for you. And that is pretty much the easiest way to do it. Now, if you do that and you still can't seem to find, whatever filter you're looking for, well, what I would recommend doing at that point is actually going through and trying to find if you can find a video of somebody else's video, for example, and where they actually use that filter as well. Because you should be able to get the little, pop-up at the bottom that allows you to use that filter too. So that's another option you have. So if you still can't find that filter, see if there's a video out there of somebody using that filter, and you should be able to see a little option at the bottom that says something like, use a filter or whatever. It'll say like down here, use filter or use filter, same filter, whatever. You want to click on that and you just want to, get it. You'll be prompted into your little TikTok, video page, and you can go ahead and use that filter there as well. So that should be, fixing it in your case. If it still doesn't work, I'd recommend seeing if there's not that you can reboot your phone. You can delete TikTok, you reinstall it, log back in, see if that fixed it too. But typically, sometimes if that still doesn't happen, you may just have to wait until TikTok, pushes out that feature or that filter in your area, and that should fix it for you as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.